when you love, you don't see. They see you as normal, but to me you are very attractive. And another thing, don't let them stare too much. Why have I been proud so much? Kajingid hindi kadur ka jongpi, kabakong sangkade kajing stad ba ajing shemfang. Minta kajingid hindi kadur ka jongpi, hinay kandengan niya turtang hafi. That's why I love you just as you are. Even if they say anything, I love you. I love you just as you are. Even if they say anything, I love you. Comes to me in my sleep, those moans into my ears. Oh baby, why so much attractive? I can't believe it, my goodness. Yeah. Life is just a destiny, a path laid out yet unknown to me. Each step forward, choice made free. Your fate ain't God's a mystery. In every moment, a decision sway, shaping the future, day by day. Destiny calls with a gentle voice, leading us through life's joyous noise. Through trials and triumphs, we find our way, and in the end, our true self stay. O kajadu ayusha, haba fiktayana, haba pipangkandeyanga, pila jopya jingim jonga. Kajinge, ginde kadur kajongfi, kabakong sangkade, kajing stadawa jing shempa. Minta kajinge, ginde kadur kajongfi, hinme kanenga niya tutang hafi. That's why I love